Hello, time to bring in a message for you. Let's bring in a message for the collective today. This beautiful January the 7th. And if you're seeing this message, it can be any date. Wow, the world, look at that. We are the world. We are the future. Oh, conditioning. So just a lot of gathering around you. You're taking that learning curve of how to condition yourself, how to change what's going on. Something went wrong. That's what I've got. What's going on here? Not too sure. There we go. All right. What else have we got? 10 stars for some support. Conditioning and stepping into the ordinariness. Now the ordinariness is just being still, is actually walking, grounding yourself, bringing yourself back down to earth and enjoying what's around you and who's around you, and just bringing yourself into that, learning to change, to pause, to relax and be in that stillness. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's a message for everybody. Good morning. And a spiritual message for everybody. Let's bring in a spiritual message for everybody. Can anybody answer me? I see it, like I watch a lot of YouTubes and tarot readers as well. Why do they go, is it to clear, to get ready? Can anybody tell me why they knock 3 times on the cards before they start? Alright, let's bring through a message for everybody to receive. This is your mantra, everybody. This is the one. Get your cards, your phones out, take a picture. This is what you are choosing to work through right now to clear. Yeah, I thought it was to clear. It looked like it was to clear. But seriously, I'm not going to knock between every one of you. I just clear, use the words. Okay, here we go, everybody. Learn to ride the waves of the life. So we've had a few of that card that was going with the flow, going with the tide. Stop yourself from going against the tide. So when faced with difficult times, you can either fight against the current, hello, or go with it. So what we're talking about today. So ask yourself, what is to be gained by depleting your energy and fighting against it? So this is what I'm talking about with going with the flow. And someone else also had that cycle. You know, what's the purpose of repeating that cycle? Maybe you've grown, maybe you've learnt. And if you go into it with a different mindset, you'll get different results. But repeating it with the same energy is like picking up, I don't know, a rotten apple with a big bruise on it. You know it's bruised. You know it's going to taste horrible, but yet you still go in and bite into it. Like that's repeating the same cycles, yeah? That's repeating and getting the same answers. You know it's no good for you, but still you'll go and bite that apple. So this card is all about going with the waves, letting the water flow with you, letting it brush over you, you know. So stop yourself from doing the same repetitive things and change your actions. So the apple, instead of biting into it because you're hungry, put it down and pick up a ripe apple that has no bruises on it and start again. Alright? So everybody, take a picture of this. This is your mantra for today, tomorrow, until you actually get it and pick up something new. Alright? So just take a photo of that. This is another message for the collective, everybody. Bring through a message for the collective. Sorry. Woo, change and transformation. So if you listen to that mantra, this is what's going to happen for you. All right, change and transformation. Get down, get dirty, get into it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, might be an early one today. Thank you, everybody, for jumping on. Please jump into the platform if you're not already in it. It is for free to jump into it. And then it's your choice whether you want to become a member. You just let me know if you want. Like there's some courses in there you can buy, like just workshops. Taking note that it is overseas money, so you have to add on another half of what the price is. So check that out first, what you're going to get charged. But anybody that becomes a member, those workshops are for free, and all the recorded healings are for free. You just automatically, I'll let you in. All right, so enjoy your day, everybody. Yes, enjoy your day too, John, and everybody else in this beautiful energy space. Thank you, and I will see you all on the flip side. Namaste, as Kate would say. And our healing last night was amazing. How are you feeling, Shauna? I'll text you. All right, everybody, take care. See you soon. Bye.